Hello and welcome to my video, how to apply metallic silver powder makeup with mixing liquid to your skin. Mehron's Metallic Powder is an ultra-fine, loose powder pigment that is made for creating dramatic, high-shine metallic designs. Use the loose powder on its own to create soft, metallic accents or mix with mixing liquid to transform metallic powder into a long-wear, transfer-resistant liquid metal paint. You can apply the dry metallic powder to your skin with a dry brush by dipping the dry brush applicator into the metallic powder and painting over the skin with a brush applicator, sponge, or your finger. You can intensify the metallic powder look by mixing the metallic powder with a mixing liquid, which is a mineral oil. Place a small amount of metallic powder pigment in a small tray, then pour a very small amount of mineral oil or Mehron mineral oil mixing liquid in the tray and mix the pigment powder together. By adding mixing liquid, metallic powder turns into an intense, molten liquid makeup that can be painted onto the body or face and used to create designs like metallic eyeliner and metallic lips. Use the loose powder on its own to create soft metallic accents or mix with mixing liquid to transform metallic powder into a long-wear, transfer-resistant liquid metal paint.
Let's begin this transformation. This completes the application of the transformation. It's now time for me to put on my costume shirt and hat, which I designed and constructed, and show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other video transformations and face painting tutorials on this channel. I do hope you click subscribe and the bell icon to receive a notification of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching.